Hey guys, I'm Connor Bailey from Edson Marine. I'm here installing some ComfortGrips on the new CCO boat. Very easy, has a 3M adhesive on the back. Highly recommend trying to figure out where you want to put it on there before you stick them on, because once you peel off the backing and put them on, they don't want to move. Very simple, very easy. Press from the middle in first.
Get all that air out.
Get all that air bubbles out.
And this is prepped and cleaned with alcohol wipes.
Yep, you want to, each package comes with 3 alcohol wipes for the 3 ComfortGrips. You want to clean that area, let it dry for 1 to 3 minutes.
And we're putting 2, these are 12 inch?
12 inches, yep.
We're gonna fill that entire space with the brand new Black grips from Edson. So this is the first look at them. Honored to be one of the first boats with these, and I'm sure they're gonna help tremendously when out cruising on this 23 Reef Runner. Easy as that.